Okay, so here's a little tour of the blue room. This is what the room we like to call the blue room. So let's start with these, the essential oils and fragrances. They're a little tight, but here's how they're alphabetical, and then it starts over in each row. And you'll know that these oils belong in here because they'll either be a little plastic bottle, which screws shut, or open. Some people want to take them completely off, but you can help them. I always say it's like a mustard bottle, and most people, or a ketchup bottle, most people know what that means. And these labels are all white, where if you do borrow this room's, they're all brown. So you know, white stay in here, brown go over here. And the reason these are in bigger ones is we put the things that are a little bit more popular in bigger bottles so we wouldn't have to refill them as often. Trends might have changed, but that was the original thinking behind that. And then kind of like in the regular bar, we have your examples. So if people are in here and you're hosting a group in here, you may be asking what do they want to make, and we have different make sheets. And so if people have a question, you can say, oh, this is the 4 ounce, this is the 8 ounce, or this is the candle that's included in your price, but you can upgrade for this one for $10 more. And so this is more of like our display window, but this is up here is where we're actually going to grab stuff. And so we have our lotions and our washes. So like, for example, you're shaking this up. If somebody needs, like, you're going to want to top it off. If they have a pump, you don't add as much because the pump takes up room. But if they have a flip top, a lot of times I'll hand it over and say, hey, can somebody top this off for me? I don't walk around, and then I can just keep managing over here. But the regular custom bar has all the bases over there, but we don't keep all of the bases in here. The main thing we keep in here are, we have soaps for if they want to do soaps, and then we have wax. But that's pretty much it. We do a lot of passing back and forth over there. And then in here we have custom lotion bars. We can melt those in this room as well as our candle jars. And then all of this stuff to do soap making, and then same thing, fractionated coconut oil to do your roll-ons, your clipboards for make and take, and